You have a nice animation, but it has baked-in root motion, which limits what you can do with it. How do you get rid of this restrictive motion? Easy. With the In-Place feature in Animation Editor Pro, you can disable or enable any displacement in the rig's root bone. With a single click, you can convert your root motion animation into an in-place one, ready to be exported to game engines. It is a non-destructive feature. With another click, you can restore the original animation if you wish. If you want to control the exact displacement length, first enable the In-Place setting. Then, add another strip with the Add Displacement Modifier enabled, and you will have control over both the speed and the displacement length. Watch our procedural root motion video to learn more about this Animation Editor Pro feature.